Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're...
Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. Let's work on some home decor today. I was really excited for this one. I have been waiting for this for quite a long time now. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. I have been planning on doing a number of decor videos, so this one was at the top of my list. If you guys remember, in my Deep Clean With Me video part 2, I had talked about decorating the upstairs lobby wall and was pretty much confused whether I wanted a photo gallery wall or a swivel mirror. But you know what? I came up with this idea of why not have a mirror wall, and I quickly looked for options on Amazon, and voila, I decided of making it an antique modern mirror wall. What do you guys think? Was it a good choice? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, since I do not have the right tools to fix them, I had to call in the carpenter to help me fix these mirrors. I received the delivery of the 3 mirrors first, so I got them fixed, and then I decided to add a few more. I'm still looking for more mirror options so that I could add them to this wall. Look at this, guys. I've already started loving this wall. I still need to fill in the gaps with a few more mirrors. But yeah, I'll definitely update you guys when we do it. I like the way we can actually see the reflection of the lights in the mirror. I'm gonna also change these lights. I've got something antique that would be perfect to give this room that whole antique modern feel. Okay, we had these paintings of ancient Egyptian mummies on this delicate papyrus paper. I got these framed locally, and then I decided to inject a dose of style by adding these frames here on the stairway. Okay, now this papyrus painting here is all the way from Jerusalem. For those who do not know, papyrus is a material on which you can write or paint, especially used in the ancient Egyptian times, prepared from the thin strips of the pith of the grass-like plant. Alright, here's Ginger on a special request, as well as for all those who have been missing my cutie pie and my teddy bear. I love this guy a lot, and thanks guys for showing so much love towards him.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited.
Okay, time to give these shelves a wipe through. It's almost been a month and I already can see the shelves covered with dust. But since it's monsoon, it is comparatively less dustier than the rest of the year.
I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
I also cleaned the mirrors and the picture frames with a glass cleaner since they had a number of fingerprints on them. Moving on to the guest bedrooms, I changed the linen of the bed. Although we do not use the upstairs, but we do change the linen at least once a month, after which I wipe down the furniture. Similarly, I also changed the linen of the next bedroom and changed the water of the potted plant. Finally, I gave the whole place a clean sweep through. There was a lot of drilled mud on the floor that had fallen while fixing the mirrors and the frames. Finally, we are done with a little decor and a quick cleanup of this entire place. I'm really excited guys to decorate this place further. Very soon you shall see a change in the light fixtures. And maybe I would like to add in a rug. I also need to add a few more mirrors. I would also like you guys to suggest some decor ideas. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.